Hello, my name is Patricia Bennett with PC Bennett Solutions, and today I want to show you how to enter a sales order using Acumatica Cloud ERP for Automotive. First of all, we're going to go to the sales order area and we're going to click on New Sales Order. Once the form is there, we're going to select the customer for whom we're entering this order for. My favorite customer in Acumatica is VAR Tending School, and they just happen to be buying some parts for a 2016 Mercedes, and then we can look up the different types of Mercedes that are available. In this case, let's see. We didn't enter the description, but I'm just going to do it for a CLA 45 AMG. As you could see, there's all the different vehicles that we in our company are supporting. I could potentially, if I have a lot of different items, I can furthermore select a category. So for example, if in my business I sell brakes and I sell electronics and I sell window tintings and wheels, and I can have all these different categories, and when I select the appropriate category, then I can furthermore filter my inventory items by the category. So I'm going to start without selecting the categories so that I can show you how that works. So I can easily start picking inventory items and start populating my grid. And as I open this, you will see that there's a lot of different items here, all kinds of things. So, but what I would like to do is go and say add stock item. So things to note about this screen is that it will only bring in those items that have two different things. One, they have available inventory to be sold. And number two is they're the only items that fit my CLA 45 AMG. As you can see, there's only 4 different things. Actually, these two are the same thing, it's just different warehouses. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this one and maybe a quantity of 10, and I'm going to say add and close. I want you to, and then once I select that item, I can, if I don't have enough in stock, I can mark this for PO and generate a PO directly from here. If this is an item that requires a service appointment for installation, I can do that also from here. Or I can just simply sell my 10 items and move forward. I want to illustrate that if I was to select that category, remember we had a total of 4 items. So now that I have selected Power Booster, if I go to add stock items, you will see that I only have 2 different lines instead of 4. I'm going to bring in my warehouse back in here so that, because it looks very strange to have the same item twice in there. And all these grids that you see here, we can rearrange these columns and we can make this grid be my grid the way I want to see it. So I just wanted to illustrate that we can further filter the information that shows on the screen by selecting that category. So now that I have my sales order, I can go ahead and save it. I can email it to my customer, or I can go ahead and continue processing my order and finish the job. As you can see, this will avoid selling the wrong part for the wrong vehicle to the right customer. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this was helpful. Goodbye.